my lovelies, and welcome back. Today I'm going to play with heated electric eyelash curlers. There's 4 different ones. Today I'm gonna play with 2 that you can use on a regular eyelash curler, something like this, but it heats the actual curling part, and it's really interesting. And then this one right here, it's battery operated. Very fascinating. So, let's begin. Okay, so the first one, this is by the brand, what is this brand? Godefroy, I think is how you pronounce it. This is their Perma Curl Eyelash Curler Warming Station. And this retails for $19.99 on Amazon. And it comes with their eyelash curler and then their eyelash curler warming station. Basically their warming station. And then this right here is the USB charge. So we're gonna place it in. You do have to have your own personal block to charge this. And then you see the red light. Once it turns green, that means you're ready to go. I'm very nervous because I have had my share of burning my eyelids. Not like really bad, but uncomfortable burning with heating up my eyelash curler with a hair dryer. We're green, that means we're ready to go. Okay, I'm just gonna snap this out very gently. Okay. I don't know why I'm sniffing it. I wanted to see if there's gonna be some heat coming off. Why did I just sniff it? Okay. All right, let's touch this. Ah, it's actually kind of hot. Ooh, ooh, that's warm. Okay, gonna look down, 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, that was honestly pretty much did nothing. I mean, it curled a little bit, we can see that, but you know what? I'm gonna try mine because the curvature is much better. You can see you can see the difference. Let me show you guys. It has so much of a bend versus this one. This one really gets into your eyelashes. All right, so I placed my Shiseido eyelash curler. So we're gonna try it with mine. Hopefully it works. Okay. That's so much better. Yeah, I mean, look at the difference. How wide how open my eye looks now. For mascara, I'm using the Hourglass, their new Unlocked Instant Extensions mascara. And this formula reminds me of the Thrive Cosmetic. And usually with a mascara like this will make my eyelashes fall down like right away after curling them. Wow, look at that difference. All right, so it's been several minutes. Now that I applied mascara, the mascara has set and dried off. You can see that right away my eyelashes, they're back to where they started. They're literally the same as the left side, just longer and darker, obviously because it's mascara. So to make my eyelashes curly and stay curly is I have to go in after again with eyelash curler and do super gentle and not pull, but be very gentle and curl them again. My outer lashes, like these from the outer corner, they like to really go down and combine with my lower lashes, and it's annoying. Okay, let's try this. And like again, you wanna make sure your eyelash curler is really clean and nothing on there.
Did you heat it up?
Nope. I'm gonna heat it back up. I'm just gonna add a little mascara to where it like, not melted it, but it just kind of like moved it. When doing that, most important step is cleaning the eyelash curler right away so the mascara doesn't get stuck. It's definitely a lot more lifted, but it's still not like super, you know, like voluminous, like permed eyelashes, you know? All right, so for this next eye, we're gonna do this one right here. We have to turn it on, but what they said is when it's ready to use, the silicone pad changes from red to transparent. And then it says, you curl the eyelashes for 10 to 15 seconds and make sure to decrease the pressure towards the tip. And we're gonna do the same thing. That feels pretty warm. Okay. This one definitely curled a lot better, but it still didn't do that great of a job towards the end, just because you could even see the eyelashes, they did not want to go inside. I'm gonna let my eyelashes set, maybe like 20-30 seconds, and then go in with mascara and see if my lashes are also gonna just flop down. Okay, I'm gonna let them set, and I'm gonna come back and curl them once the mascara has dried. Going with the same curler, I'm gonna be very careful. Yes, Emra agrees. He's telling me, Mom, please be careful. All right, now they look a little even, right? Actually, this one did a lot better job. It did a lot closer to the root than this one, mine, when it was heated, but I was like really scared to get close to the root. All right, we're gonna leave it at that and see how long these curls last. If they're gonna stay like this or are they gonna fall, like my lashes are gonna fall. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna apply some mascara to my lower lash line using the same mascara. Yeah, I think I would actually use both of these in conjunction to each other. I prefer this when my mascara is already on, but I prefer this with just my naked eyelashes, if that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna go on with my day and I'll do maybe 1 to 2 check-ins and we'll see if the eyelashes went down or they pretty much stayed the same. Doing the last or the final update for the first 2 eyelash curlers, and I think they look pretty similar to when we started or when we finished curling them. The one thing I do want to say is the left eye, the middle eyelashes, they seem like it dropped, but I think the right eye, it looks a little bit more lifted still throughout the day. So this method worked better, I think, but I think I might like these together in conjunction to one another. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the other 2. We're back on the second day and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes twice again. First eyelash curler is another electric one. This is what it is. It was just charging. This is the Be My Lady eyelash curler, and this retails for $19.99, like on Amazon, obviously. So it has the on-off, and then it has different modes where you can choose. You can choose either low, medium, or high heat setting. The lowest it goes is 104 degrees Fahrenheit plus or minus, and then the highest is around 140 degrees Fahrenheit plus or minus 5. That's what they're saying. And you charge it with a mini USB. So let's turn this on. With this type of an eyelash curler, you have to apply the mascara first. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna use the same exact mascara as the previous day, just the Hourglass. This is their unlocked mascara, and this is a tube style mascara that comes off in like little chunks. We're gonna do this eye right here. And I find that the tube mascara, this is the mascara that makes my eyelashes drop the most. Can you guys hear Em in the background? He's talking to himself and to us. I hear you, honey. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Give it like 30 seconds and then we're gonna curl it. So it says press the bottom of the eyelashes for about 5 to 10 seconds and then press from root to upper section by section. And then after we're done with that, apply mascara again to finalize styling. Okay, so we're gonna do in the curved. I can definitely feel the warmth or the heat, but it's not like super uncomfortable. I can't really get the outer section to curl at all. Ooh, that's kind of warm. Gotta be careful with that.
It's too short.
No, because they're just so stubborn. Whoo! Okay, be very careful because you can definitely burn yourself. I'm gonna let them cool off and then apply a little bit more mascara because that's what they said helps with the best results. I'm just gonna kind of apply it to the tips. I think it actually curled a little bit, but it's a very small difference, I would say. I think it really lifted towards the root especially, but maybe it's just this mascara, the formula, the tubed style mascara. I don't think it does well with my lashes to curl them just because it's a very heavy type of a formula. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off and then wait for that to cool off, and then that's where I'm gonna clean the mascara off. And then the second eyelash curler is this right here by Ardell. This is their heated curler, and this looks like this right here. So let's see what the difference is. Andre said it's definitely different. It came in a pack of 3 for $34. I'm not sure why, and it says this is not a set. This is a set, do not separate. Honestly looks the exact same, even has like that red silicone right there. This one looks a little bit better. Let's take out the AAA batteries because that's what it also needs. Oh, there's really no on-off button. You have to physically turn it on and hold it there to heat up.
Well,
that doesn't make sense. And it's supposed to, this red part is supposed to turn transparent just like this one did. We're gonna curl them first with that mascara. put mascara on, have them set in place, and then go back with this and curl it again. I'm just going through little sections.
About 10 seconds.
Still didn't lift the edges. It's having a hard time lifting the edges. I'm trying to redo that. Kind of focus on the edge. It makes my eyelashes go like at an angle. It's not making them go straight up. Okay, it's definitely very lifted right there, if you can see that. This one is a huge difference except for the outer lashes. Like, it just does not want to grab the outer lashes. You can still see they're nice and straight. This cools off so fast, so I'm literally gonna hold it while I apply my mascara. Who else has stubborn eyelashes? My eyelashes are like, nope, not getting curled. Hasn't even been 5 seconds and my lashes already going down. All right, I do want to say, I think my right eye with this one right here, it looks like my lashes are a lot longer on this side versus this side. I prefer my lashes on the outer corner. Everywhere else, I think this side looks better. And I feel like this is a lot easier of a process, but you can definitely probably burn yourself if you hold it too close to your scalp, or even on, not your scalp, on your eyelid. But yeah. Then this one, it didn't really change at all at the end of the day, honestly, unless they did a little bit, and it's a very minute difference. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Last and final update for this electric curler versus this heated eyelash curler. Well, both of them are heated. So I do want to say, I think this one right here, I'll mention this again, I like that it curled the outer lashes versus this one, it curled and it lasted. It made the curl last a lot longer than this one, but it didn't do as well on the outer lashes, and I couldn't get it lifted. I tried hard, but it would not work. So in conclusion, for my lashes, for me personally, the only non-permanent curl that works best on me, in my opinion, is something like this without heat, and I'll just kind of hold it there for as long as possible, even though I didn't really show it in this video, but it gives me the best curl. But if I want it to last a lot longer, I'll get my lashes lifted, and that will last like around 6 to 8 weeks. But if I were to recommend any of this, honestly, give this a try if you're confident in yourself, if you have a steady hand, because it is pretty warm, and you can, if you're not really careful, you can probably most definitely hurt yourself with this right here, because it is probably the hottest in my opinion. But yeah, you guys, please let me know your experience with eyelash curlers. Do you prefer just manual ones, or do you prefer something heated, or do you prefer perming your eyelashes? Please let all of us know your thoughts, and maybe share some pictures of before and after. But for now, you guys, thank you for watching, spending time with me and my eyelashes, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye.